Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So today will be a short video and it will be on a very interesting topic. So we are talking about AI, and especially in this video we are gonna talk about one of the newest and most interesting AI that you can find on the internet, and it can be used by anyone. It is still a prototype, we can say, so it is not a finished product, but you can apply on their website, so you can try this version too. And we are talking about dall-e AI. So you probably have already seen some images, some videos about this new AI. And it is a simple website where you have on the top, you have a box where you can type some text, and that is where the magic happens. So basically the concept, it is very simple. You write something and the AI just gives you some images about that something that you previously wrote. And as I was saying, the concept is very easy, but the realization and how it works, it's very complicated. In fact, you can not only search some real things, like you search some clouds, some sea, or maybe some mountains, but it is not like Google. You can search also some abstract images, and also you can create some images. More specifically, you can create some composition of images that you will decide, and you can type pretty much anything. For example, like a dog with a hat that's driving a car in a cyberpunk environment, or other example like this. So you can just use your imagination and let the AI create something for you. But not only that, you can also give a specific style to your image, and also you can decide if it can be like a 3D render or maybe a photo of what you want to search, and the AI will do all the magic. As I was saying before, you probably have already seen some videos of this AI, and probably like me, you have seen already some very good works created by this AI, but sometimes it is not that good. In fact, I've searched some different topic and I've tried to create some different images, but for the most part, I didn't like the images. And for example, I just tried to type 3D render of a Tesla smartphone. It was actually pretty bad, and also the name of the smartphone wasn't also Tesla, but it wasn't like all messed up. So it is not always working very good, but the concept of this AI, it's very interesting. And as I said, you can search for their website on Google and just sign up to test this AI. So you can just help to improve this very interesting website. So the results of the photos depends a lot on what you are writing, because if you are very specific on a subject or on something that you want to show up in the photo, the AI will be very specific and very accurate. But if you are very vague, you are not specific on something, the AI will mess up probably most of the images. So keep in mind to be very specific if you want to create like something very interesting and actually well done by the AI. And also take inspiration by the images that you can see below on page, because probably you can get some ideas on how to create some of the best images. Of course, you can create whatever you want, but I think that for now, if you want to create something that already exists, it probably will be a better choice for the AI. But if you want to create some other things that are abstract or maybe doesn't exist for now, so be very specific, as I said before. And also the AI, it's very capable of creating some very interesting images. Also, if you are writing like some random stuff or maybe non-existent stuff. Anyway, to create the best image, use a lot your imagination. In my case, I wasn't very specific most of the times that I tried to search for some images, but I will try my best from now on to try and create something very particular. And also, if you have some ideas, just let me know it down below in the comments, because if you don't want to try this AI directly, just type it down below in the comments what you want to search, and I will do it for you, and maybe I will show you in another video, or maybe in my community posts, or maybe on other social. So let me know it down below. And for this video, that's pretty much it. It was a very fast video. If you didn't know about the existence of this AI, just let me know it down below in the comment also. And leave a like on this video if you find it somewhat useful, and also subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any other content. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.